Every video you're seeing was created by prompting Claude, but that isn't the crazy part. I made every one of these videos virtually without touching my keyboard or mouse, just by talking into this mic. In this video, I'll show you how to do the exact same thing by literally copy pasting this system. This video goes in two phases. In phase one, we are setting up and optimizing your computer, and in phase two, we're doing a full-blown demo of how the system works and how to run it by simply talking into your AirPods or microphone to create stunning motion graphic videos. Let's jump into phase one. If you follow every step that we cover here in phase one, you'll have your computer set up in about 5 to 10 minutes. Every step is absolutely necessary, so make sure you don't skip a single one of them. Okay, for the first step, you're going to go to claude.com/download, and you'll bring you to a page that looks like this. We're going to download Claude Desktop onto our computer, and you'll just need to pick which computer type you have: Mac OS, Windows, Windows ARM64. I already have this downloaded on my computer, so I'm not going to go through this full process, but you just follow the step-by-step process that comes when you click on the button that corresponds to your computer, and then I'll see you, once you get it set up, I'll see you in the next step. Okay, once you have Claude Desktop downloaded and open on your computer, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. And up in the top left corner, you'll have a few options. You'll have chat, you may have co-work, and then you'll have code as well if you're on the Pro plan. So we're going to go over to code. So once you've clicked on the code tab, we're going to come down here to this folder selector right here. We're going to choose different folder. I already have mine set up. It's my Remotion YouTube demo. So we're going to open that. And now Claude Code is going to have access to that folder on our computer, which is right here, Remotion YouTube demo. So right now it's blank. We're going to run a command right here, npx skills add remotion/dev/skills. And you can get all of the copy paste, basically step-by-step template for this whole process. If you go over to Automation Hackers, you can create a free account, and then once you log into your free account, you'll have a button right here that says dashboard, and this will open up a view that looks like this. You can go to the prompt vault, open prompts, and it will allow you to download a zip file that will give you the step-by-step process for this video, and it will give you all the links that you need to click on, basically everything that you need to do to plug and play to get this set up. So if you want to do that, you can go create your free account, Automation Hackers, and then go to the prompt vault and look for the thumbnail for the YouTube video, and then all the assets will be there with it. So we're going to paste this in here, and then we're going to hit run. And basically what this is doing is it's giving Claude skills. So if you think about Claude, it's almost like the Matrix, where you can download skills and immediately it becomes an expert on that thing. And that's what's happening here, is we're downloading the skills that it needs to become an expert at Remotion. And you're going to have to go through and you're going to have to do allow once a couple times. You can set it so that you don't have to do that, but I always just set it so that I give the approval for each step. So now that this is finished, we're going to come over here to our file, Remotion YouTube demo, and you're going to see that it created this folder, skills, Remotion best practices, skill, and rules. So it has access to all of the documentation for Remotion, which is going to make it an expert on Remotion. So now all that we need to do is we just need to tell it to create a video for us. So this is the end of phase one. Now we're going to get into phase two. Okay, so this is the fun part. Let's demonstrate how this thing creates wildly good videos by us just talking into the microphone. And by the end of this section, by the end of this phase, you're going to know exactly how you can do the exact same thing. So we're going to go back and we're going to get the website for Automation Hackers, and we're going to make a promo video for this. So we're going to talk into this, we're going to paste, and then I'm just going to say, can you make a promo video for this website? I want it to follow the same brand colors with the yellow and the black, and so that it's a cohesive message and a cohesive branding. And I want it to be very crisp copy so that I could just upload this to YouTube and it would be a good promo video for Automation Hackers using Remotion. So now it makes a to-do list and it's going to just start following through these. And you're going to see another folder that pops up here. Okay, so now it's built out the plan and it's going to start running the plan. So now it's going to start writing the video. So now here's where the magic happens. We're going to allow this to run and it's going to open up our edited video in the browser where we can see it. And here it is. So this is our first look at the video. Let's press play and see what it came up with. So it used all the brand colors. It's coming up with the questions. I mean, look at this. This is so professional looking, and it just all made it automatically. And it just took the copy from the website, so we didn't even have to do anything. It just did it for us. I mean, this is truly wild. And we can go back and we can tell Claude that we want to make some adjustments. We want to add our logo in. We can go back and we can redo the things that we need to, is just step by step. But that is a great starting point for us. That saved us a ton of time, especially if we don't have any skills in motion graphics. And we did it all just by talking into the mic in our right here in Claude Desktop. We didn't even have to touch a line of code. And that's the system. You download Claude Desktop, you download the skills of the system that we showed you, and then you just start talking into your microphone or into your AirPods or whatever that's connected to your computer, and you just tell Claude Code what you want it to create, what motion graphics you want it to create. And again, if you want to have a reference and if you want to have the prompts that I used or the step-by-step process, then you can go to automationhackers.net. You can create a free account, go to the prompt library, look for the thumbnail that matches the thumbnail from this video, and you'll be able to get everything that you need from this video downloaded for free.